Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off predictive text on your Google Pixel smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is swipe up on the home screen and select the settings gear button. And then you want to scroll down on the settings page here until you get to the security and privacy tile. And then scroll down to the bottom where it says more security and privacy and select that. And then you want to select the Android System Intelligence tile and then select the keyboard button. If you want to enable smart suggestions, go ahead and toggle this to the on position, which will be lit up blue, and toggle to the right. If you want to disable it, click inside the oval and that'll turn it off and it'll be grayed out. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.